Hey guys, welcome to Christian Vlogs. Guys, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps us out a lot. Let's go do it right now, guys. But I hope you guys liked the editing on the last video, guys, because I actually used real music. You guys probably know, other than copyright-free music. Tell me if you guys like that down in the comments below. But let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so the plan for today is I'm going to take the door cups slash kind of like a card would be the best to describe it, but they're cups, what you pull the door shut with in my Subaru. We're going to take those out and bleach and probably Goog on them, because I got some of that for the back of my trunk, like I'll show you just here right now. Okay guys, so here's like this from the letters, because we're going to put new letters on this in a future video. So yeah, hopefully they come today. No, they won't, because it's Memorial Day today. But anyways, you know, pretty simple. Just realized I left my keys in here all night. That's not very good. But these are pretty simple. This is what I'm talking about, taking these out, because they're kind of grimy, as you can see down there. One bolt is pretty simple to uninstall and reinstall, as long as you don't lose it. Because I took the one in the back out yesterday and sprayed it out with water, but now it's still dirty, which will take it out like this. Here's come out, but there's no bolt in it, so it's not a big deal. But put that down there, and then I'll see you once we're done getting these bolts out, and then we'll pull them out. So me and this one had a little disagreement. This is the driver's side. It's just stuck in there, and I don't have any ways right now to get rid of it without stripping that bolt. So it's not a big thing. I'm just gonna stick a rag with Goo Gone in and hope it works. It's not one of the dirtiest ones anyways, but this is what the other ones look like. The other canals, what they look like. So yeah, see you guys inside. And yesterday, guys, off camera, I cleaned the inside wells of my doors, so I'll show you that. The door wells, not perfect, but they're a lot better than they were here. And then we'll pick up those and put them inside. So what I'm going to do is just dip a towel into the mixture. Same mixture, just going to be sitting with the towel, because I'm not going to drill out the bolt if it's in there good, so it'd kind of be stupid, so, you know, just to clean it. Okay. Let's grab these three, and we'll stick a towel on the other one. So guys, I kind of forgot to mark these left rear, right rear. So all we know is that they go somewhere on that side. If there's two of them, there's one that'll be easy, because there's only one left one. The rest of them are right. So this one right here, this is the left one. It's easy. It just goes in the left rear. These two, I'll have to decide which one goes where, because, you know. But my idea is we're going to mix Goo Gone with bleach, and hopefully this goes good. Now we're going to cut this Sunny D in half here with a knife. So, yeah. Oh, that's not a knife. That's just wait. Let me grab my knife. Okay guys, so we're going to dip this into here. This is some serious stuff, so set this over here for now. Let's stick all three of these kind of in here. So they should all fit. Yeah, that should work for the day. Now, oh, you can already see it getting darker. Hey, look, let's go take this out and put it in the one that wouldn't come out. Okay, there we go. We're going to leave these soak for 2-3 hours and let's continue super cleaning the car. Gotta get the fuel tank. Okay guys, so this is what we're working with. No one ever cleans this, but it's gotta be clean, so yeah. Guys, it's not perfect around here, but definitely better than it used to be, which is all I really care about because, you know, I'm trying to make it look better, the small details. Now let's get back into this trunk where there's some stuff that needs cleaned here. So guys, I'm gonna have a lot of fun editing this. I'm not. But we did get all this stuff. It looks a lot better. Just the areas you wouldn't think of. Fuel cap, just the trunk. I don't normally clean that, so I figured I'd throw that in this part. But, you know, like gaps like this. I'm gonna clean this right now here. So yeah. So guys, I got her pretty clean. I'm sorry for the time-lapse looking like poop. I mean, that's just what's gonna happen because I'm moving too much. But anyways, guys, let's continue. There's actually a little bit of cancer on the trunk right here. I don't know why. But I did. Oh, let's get these bars back here cleaned. A lot of this stuff's in the back. The reason, like I said before, is I just don't clean the back trunk. It's just not necessary. And yes, I will vacuum this stuff up here. Okay. Okay. So guys, let's go look and see how the door cups are looking inside. Okay, so it is a little bit more foamy than it was, but let's take one of them out. Look at it over here. Oh yeah, that is a lot better than it was. I'm going to dry these and then I'm going to see you guys installing these. Okay guys, so I'm going to just set this sucker in here. Set this one back here. And set this one right about there. So yes guys, I'm going to throw these bolts in. I'll see you guys after I put the screws in, not bolts. Okay, so guys, these 1, 2, 3 cups look better. Now let's see what the driver's side looks like, since we couldn't have got that out without using forceful tools. Okay guys, so let's take this sucker out. Not a lot better actually. Alright guys, so that looks a lot better. So yeah guys, let's continue with the video. So guys, the last thing, like I told you, is I'm going to use this glue gun and see if it can clean those last residue of the letters off. So guys, it did a very good job on the tube, I think. It did a pretty good job. But I also kind of chipped my paint along with it, as you can see here. It kind of started, the glue was still on there, so I don't know. We'll just place the letters, I guess, when they come in. But anyways, guys, that's it. But of course, I'll see you guys tomorrow, cause every moon, bro. Peace out. Get your merch today. Link in description below.